Here I am walking into Mr. Jones' shed, and a lot of the engines have gone, but you can see that there's still quite a few really nice engines hanging around. And there's a nice Mianis. This one, more modern, looks like a, it might be a gray. And that's the red 4-cylinder Universal. And then we have a little fella here whose origin is unknown, and another one beyond that, a really nice gray. I don't know if the light is enough to show this one off, but it would appear to be really nice, complete. No oiler, but I guess that's the way it goes. And then this one, not quite sure what it is. And then coming down here under the bench, we have one that really looks like it needs work. And then some more. And this one, single cylinder 4-cycle. And just, you know, the stuff that we all collect. Just a wonderful shop to visit, and also visit with my pals. These two guys are Art Zeman and my buddy Bob Price. Look at him working hard, trying to load this lovely Art. Get out of the way. I'm taking a video of my engine here.
Okay, get the little pipe under. Oh,
There.
feel my beating heart. That is slicker than deer guts on a doorknob, Art. Yep. Did you know you were getting a stainless steel tank?
No, I didn't. Yeah, why don't you just slide that in? Oh, here we go. Here's the engine. Here's, after all. Look at that. Isn't she a beauty?
That's slicker than deer guts on a doorknob.
You want to say that again?
Slicker than deer guts on a doorknob.
Whoa.
Now let's...
You're causing some anxiety here.
Let me pull back. You know, hit it, pull it right off the trailer. I guess we need the other roller right in front.
There's a bigger roller on the, Bruce?
Hold it right there.
Hang on, there's a bigger roller on the far side. Hang on for a second. There you go.
Banner, man. Get the height.
That's it.
Actually, why don't we put this one right there. Get back, turn down.
I'm gonna get that little bit into it.
Okay, guess we don't even need that. Nope, turn down. Okay.
Yeah, you want to get that rope out of there, Art? The one that's right in the... That's it.
Okay, now it's going to get tricky. Let's see if we can get a... How many miles is it?
I don't know. I can tell you it's about 480 kilometers.
That sounds like a Miro answer.
Well,
Speaking of mileage,
I don't.
from my house to the thruway, it's 40 miles.
That's about what it is from mine.
Yeah.
Maybe a little less. I think I'm about 36 or something like that.
It's a great little video camera. You can zoom in there on.
Isn't that amazing?
50 minutes.
Just technology, huh?
Oh yeah. It's hard to.
Posted highway
Remember what
speed.
the videos?
Oh, they were huge. Yeah. Well, it took men, you know, 2 men and a small boy to take care of. Got a nice Lockwood. Those guys in Louisiana are going to like that.
He's become enamored with YouTube and taking videos, and this is his latest shtick.
Oh, so you have to box some of these up and ship them?
Yeah, this is me and Mike, my buddy, offloading the Palmer, and it's now out of the truck. The little ramp system we used worked 100%, and Mike, the strongman, is going to spin that about 90 degrees. I think if you grab it by the exhaust business there, you probably can turn it. Yeah, why don't you just pick it up and spare me my back?
Sure.
No.